In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate GetResponse with Shopify. This is a powerful combination that can help you streamline your email marketing efforts and improve your overall customer engagement. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To start off, let's discuss why integrating GetResponse with Shopify is beneficial. When you connect these two platforms, you can easily manage your email lists and campaigns directly from your Shopify store. This means that you can capture leads, manage customer interactions, and analyze the performance of your marketing efforts all in one place. Now, let's jump into the steps you'll need to follow for this integration. The first step is to log into your Shopify account. Once you're in, navigate to the Shopify App Store. You can find the App Store by clicking on the Apps option in the left side menu of your Shopify dashboard. Here, you can search for GetResponse. Now, the GetResponse app should appear in your search results. Now click on the GetResponse app and then select the option to add the app to your Shopify store. Depending on how Shopify is handling app integrations at the time, this might look slightly different, but you'll typically find an Add App button. Once you've clicked that, follow any prompts that might come up. You might need to give Shopify permission to access your GetResponse account. Once you've successfully added the app, it's time to set up your GetResponse account if you haven't done this already. Simply go to the GetResponse website and sign up for an account. They have several plans available, and you can start with a free trial if you're new. After signing up, you'll be directed to your GetResponse dashboard. Here, you'll want to create an email list if you don't have one set up yet. Click on the Lists tab on the left sidebar, then select the option to create a new list. This list will be where all your Shopify customers and leads will be collected. Once your list is set up, you'll need to return to Shopify. Go back to the GetResponse app that we integrated earlier. Here, you will see fields for connecting your GetResponse account and your Shopify store. Simply follow the prompts and enter your GetResponse login credentials. This is the crucial part where the two platforms connect, allowing your Shopify store to send information over to GetResponse. After you've linked your accounts, it's time to start customizing how the integration works. You can choose to automatically add your Shopify customers to your email list or set up specific triggers based on customer actions, like making a purchase or abandoning a cart. These options are usually quite straightforward, with drop-down menus or checkboxes that you can select based on your preferences. Next, let's talk about creating some email content. Head back to your GetResponse dashboard. Under the Email Marketing section, click on Create Newsletter. This is where you can design and write your email campaigns. Remember to offer valuable content to your customers, whether it's discounts, new products, or helpful tips. Engaging content can encourage more opens and clicks, boosting your overall success. Once your email is ready, you can then set it to send out either immediately or at a scheduled time. If you choose to schedule it, think about when your customers are most likely to read their emails. Getting the timing right can significantly enhance your open rates. After everything is set up, be sure to monitor how your campaigns are performing. Both GetResponse and Shopify provide analytics tools. Check back frequently to see how your emails are performing, open rates, click rates, and how many new subscribers you are gaining. This feedback will be crucial for adjusting your strategy and getting the most out of your email marketing. And that's it. You've now integrated GetResponse with your Shopify store, set up your email lists, created engaging email campaigns, and you're ready to take your email marketing to the next level. Remember, consistency is key. So make it a habit to regularly engage with your audience and refine your strategies based on what you learn from your analytics. Thank you for watching today's video on integrating GetResponse with Shopify. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing and giving